Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This prestigious gated community of Plantation Village is adjacent to Richmond Estate. It is located in the lush garden parish of St. Anne, Jamaica. This income generator house is perfect for an investor or large family. The main residence comes fully furnished, including a piano, and features a powder room, three bedrooms, including a large master suite with a sitting room, three bathrooms, with the master featuring both a jacuzzi and a shower. To the sides are two tenanted, self contained one bedroom, one bathroom units, one fully furnished with ceiling fan and AC unit. The property features three separate meters, three kitchens, and a finished basement with an additional bathroom. Security cameras for added security. The home boasts a wraparound balcony covering the back half of the second floor with a scenic view of the Caribbean Sea. There is also a paved and beautifully landscaped yard with fruit trees. The exciting part of this listing is that it was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by US 20,000 or Jamaican $3.1 million. Call today to view this gem. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 679,000 or Jamaican $108.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.